how to do. This video demonstrates how to install Ubuntu 18.04 on VMware Workstation. To start, you need two things on your computer: VMware Workstation, ISO of Ubuntu operating system. Then, create a virtual machine and install Ubuntu 18.04. Click New Virtual Machine. Select Custom, Advanced. Click Next. Select Hardware Compatible. Click Next. Select I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Select Linux as a guest operating system and choose Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Provide a name for the virtual machine and choose our location to save. Click Next. Change the number of processors and number of cores per processor. Click Next. Change the amount of memory allocated. Click Next. Select Use Network Address Translation, NAT, or use Bridged Networking. Essential: your virtual machine can access the internet. Click Next. Select I/O controller type, recommended LSI logic. Click Next. Select a disk type, recommended SCSI. Click Next. Select Create a new virtual disk. Click Next. Adjust the disk size as required and choose either to store the file as a single file. Click Next. Specify the disk file name and location. Click Next. Now your virtual machine is ready to create. Click Finish. Insert image file.iso of Ubuntu 18.04. Click OK. Power on the virtual machine. As soon as the virtual machine boots, you'll see the welcome window. You can select your language from a list on the left and choose Installing Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout. Click Continue. Select Minimal Installation and select Download Updates while installing Ubuntu. Click Continue. Choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Click Install Now. Click Continue to fix those changes in place and start the installation process. Select your location and click Continue. Enter your name and computer name. The installer will automatically suggest a username. Enter a strong password and confirm it. Keeping automatic login disabled, click Continue. The installer will now complete in the background, while the installation window teaches you a little about how awesome Ubuntu is. Depending on the speed of your machine and network connection, installation should only take a few minutes. After everything has been installed and configured, a small window will appear, asking you to restart your machine. Click on Restart Now and remove the Ubuntu image file ISO from the virtual machine. Then press Enter. Enter your credential and click Sign In. Install VMware Tools. Open the VMware Tools CD mounted on the Ubuntu desktop. Open zip file. Then drag and drop VMware Tools distrid folder to the desktop. Open a terminal window. Navigate to the VMware Tools distrid folder. When we run /vmwareinstall.pl directly, we encountered write access problem. To solve it, add sudo alt before the command. Enter your Ubuntu password. Accept the installation by entering yes. Restart the Ubuntu virtual machine.